Prince. Today we are going to draw a Thanksgiving dinner.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're using our Canson marker paper to draw on. That's because we're using our markers to draw with. But you could use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Let's first start by drawing our plate. And we're going to draw a big circle. We also have our paper horizontal. Kind of looks like a placemat, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Let's start by drawing a big circle and fill up a lot of our paper. So I'm going to turn my paper sideways a little bit. We'll start at the top. Ooh, this is going to be fun. You could use a template if you want to draw a perfect circle. Oh, yes, we're going to keep going. I got a little nervous. And then we're going to come back up and then connect. Oh, there we go. And that's okay if it gets a little... Your plate is huge. It's awesome.
I want to eat more.
I want to eat more too. I wish I could draw mine over again. I would draw it this size. We're going to also add a fork and knife, but you might have a little less room over here, but I bet you could still fit it, and you could also overlap it or behind the plate. So let's draw that next. We're going to draw the fork over here, and I'm going to draw a big kind of tall U shape. So we're going to come like this, down, and then we'll come back up. I'm going to just start up here and come back down. And if you want, you could draw this coming close to the plate, come around and then connect, and then draw the rest of it up here. So it's underneath your plate. I can't wait for Thanksgiving. Yes, just like that. Okay, then we can draw the part that comes out on each side. Now let's draw the little lines coming down to finish our fork. Okay, now let's draw the knife, and we're going to draw the same tall U shape, but I'm going to draw a little bit shorter. Come back up and down. Then let's draw the right side of the knife, so we could draw that straight. And then we'll start up here and we're going to draw a curve coming down and then connect to the handle. And we could add little designs on our silverware too, if we want. You could add decorations. I'm just going to draw 2 horizontal lines. Yeah, that looks awesome. Now we got our plate and our silverware. We should add the Thanksgiving meal. What should we start with?
Turkey.
Okay, let's do it. Let's draw a big turkey leg first. I'm going to draw it right here. I'm going to draw a big diagonal U shape. And then we could draw a zigzag line to connect. Then we'll draw 2 lines coming out for the bone. And we could draw 2 bumps to finish the bone. You could add even more turkey legs, but let's just leave 1. And let's add some turkey slices. I'm going to start by drawing a oval shape that's behind the turkey leg. And then let's make it thicker. We got to have a big, thick slice of, well, this could be ham too if we wanted. So we got the 2 lines coming down, and then we're going to draw a matching curve to connect those. Okay, let's do that again. Except I'm going to draw a little closer, come around like that. And then we can make it thicker by drawing the 2 lines coming out further and then connecting those with a matching curve. Now what should we add?
Mashed potatoes.
Okay. Mashed potatoes, I think, are my favorite. What are your favorite? What's your favorite dish?
I like the green bean casserole.
Really? Mm-hmm. You like the green bean casserole more than mashed potatoes?
I think so.
Okay. I'm going to disagree. So we just drew a little cloud line, and you could also make this as big as you want. I would probably have another scoop in real life. But we can add a circle in the middle. This is for the gravy. You take the ladle, and then you make a volcano hole in the mound of mashed potatoes, and then you pour the gravy in. Now what should we add?
Stuffing.
Stuffing. Okay. I'm going to draw right here in between my turkey and also the mashed potatoes. You could draw the line coming here, but then you could also add a stuffing line down here. And maybe I'll do that too. So I'm going to draw this one more bumpy than the mashed potatoes. So our mashed potatoes look creamy. So we got these big bumps, and then the stuffing is more chunky. I'm going to draw one down here too so that all of our food is a little mixed up. We also know some people that don't like mixing their food. So if you prefer to not have your food touching, you could also draw it that way. Okay, I think we have room for 2 more things. You might have room for a couple more things, but what are we missing?
Yams,
Oh, yes, and
cranberry.
oh, cranberry sauce, definitely. And our friends, if they want to add different things, you could add whatever you want. Maybe Jell-O or a green bean casserole. So let's draw the yams. I'm going to draw little triangle shapes for the yams. So I'm going to draw it right here, and I'm going to mix the shapes up so that it's more kind of a stack of yams. Just drawing diagonal shapes. And you could add a few more to fill up that extra space. I love how big your plate is. And then the cranberries. I'm going to draw actual whole cranberries. We're going to draw some circles. Although I like the canned cranberry too. And then I'm going to draw a little wavy line for the sauce. We did it. We finished drawing our Thanksgiving dinner, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We're going to fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Teryn, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our turkey dinners, and they turned out awesome. Now I'm really hungry.
Me too. I need some green beans
Yeah.
ASAP.
Yes. We need them so badly that we actually added them to our drawings. We added little rectangle shapes and colored them green.
I also like how the cranberries turned out with the highlights.
Yeah, they look shiny. And the gravy and also the turkey, really juicy.
Our art friends could also add more things to their drawing.
Oh yeah, you could finish the background by adding napkins or maybe even a placemat or a tablecloth. You could even add it, if you have room, you could add a glass or drink.
And don't forget the dessert.
Oh yeah, we could use a whole different piece of paper for the dessert. And what's your favorite dessert or pie?
Apple.
Ah, I think mine's pumpkin.
We hope you had fun drawing your turkey dinner.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.